Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Canon EOS R50 camera to mobile phone using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. First we have to enable Bluetooth in mobile phone. In mobile phone, let me enable Bluetooth. We can tap on this Bluetooth button and enable the Bluetooth. Okay, then open Google Play Store and install this app, Canon Camera Connect. I already installed it. Let me open it. Okay, then in camera, go to menu, then select fourth option from top. Then select option 1. Under option 1, we have to select connect to smartphone. Then select add a device to connect to. Then select OK. Then select next. You can see the camera name here, EOS R50 54F8B5. Then in mobile phone, tap on this plus symbol on top. Then select the camera model, EOS R50. Then select Bluetooth. Then select next. Then select allow. Now you can see the name of the camera here. See this name. Tap on that name. It shows pairing failed. Let me close it. So let me do one thing. Let me go to Bluetooth. I need to unpair it first because previous connection was there. Let me unpair. Okay, done. Then go to the app. Then select Bluetooth. Tap on Bluetooth button. Then select tap on camera name. Now it's pairing. Then tap on pair. Then in camera select next. Now it's connecting. Okay, done. Then tap on OK here. See, this way we can connect this camera to phone using Bluetooth. Here we can see the Bluetooth symbol, and Wi-Fi symbol is disabled because we haven't connected Wi-Fi. So let me tap on shoot. So shoot required Wi-Fi. You can see it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. So it will automatically create a Wi-Fi hotspot, and we can see Wi-Fi hotspot here, which camera has created. Tap on that name. Now it's connecting to that Wi-Fi hotspot which Canon R50 camera has created. Okay, connection established. See, now I can control this camera using this mobile phone. Let me go back. Now on top you can see both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi symbols has been enabled. So that means now I have connected this camera to this mobile phone using both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.